Hi everybody, welcome to the Cigrit. I'm the Cigrit's wife, Donna, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade banana bread. So first, you need a greased 9 by 5 inch pan, and you need 2 cups of flour, 2 eggs, some cinnamon and some baking soda and some some salt, some cinnamon, and some baking soda. And then you need a 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 cups of bananas, a 1/3 cup of sour cream, and what is it, 3/4 cup of chopped up walnuts. But you don't have to have walnuts if you don't want them, and a 1/2 cup of butter. So first,
What did you say that was? Butter?
1/2 cup of butter. Oh, and some vanilla. Okay, so that's our flour, and we're gonna put in our cinnamon and our baking soda and our salt. This is actually quite...
How much cinnamon, salt, and baking?
A 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And just like mix it around, because if you don't, you probably get like a good clump of baking soda in one of your bites of banana bread. Okay.
If you guys haven't noticed, Donna's coming down with either a cold
Or COVID.
or COVID. She's got a stuffy nose today, and she sounds a little...
fucked.
Yeah, she sounds a little fucked.
Okay, so then we just leave that. That's part's done. And then in here we put our butter, and we're gonna put our brown sugar, and okay, so just watch as I do. Cream it, and then you're supposed to put the eggs in one at a time, and well, I'll just kind of like figure. That looks about right. That looks like about 1 egg. Okay, and then you're gonna beat this one. And then pour in this one. Oh, wait, that's the eggshell I forgot to take out.
Huh.
Carry on. Okay. And then we're going to put in, I always scrape down the sides of your bowl, because like a lot of that shit don't get mixed that well. Okay, and then we're gonna take our sour cream.
You sure that's sour cream and not sour Cigrit?
It's Gailey's sour cream. Okay, and we're gonna put in our bananas. And we're going to just give this a mix around. I don't want to, you're not supposed to like over mix this in this recipe, so I gotta mix again in a second. Okay, and then I'm going to come over here And we're just going to turn this on low, and we're going to slowly add in Okay, and that's enough of the mixer. We don't want to over mix on this. So take your spatula again. Oh, and your oven has to be at 350 degrees. Okay, and then I'm putting walnuts in mine, so
chopped walnuts.
Chopped. If you can't get chopped ones, just get the bigger ones and chop them yourself. That's all I did. Okay, and lastly is our not our vanilla. And we're gonna add 1 teaspoon. This also, so it takes between 60 and 65 minutes to bake. And I'll come back like 30 minutes after it's been in the oven. We need to cover the top so the top doesn't get brown, like it doesn't brown too fast. Okay. And then we're gonna dump Make sure you get it all. Unless you have little kids or a big kid at home that wants to lick the bowl and spoon. Okay, and then we're gonna, kind of even it out. You don't want a lopsided banana bread. That wouldn't be any good. Okay, let me just rinse my hands. Okay. Just be right on. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the oven for 30 minutes, and I'll come back and we're just gonna put the tin foil on it, and then we're gonna let it cook for another 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. That's what our banana bread looks like so far. And take a piece of tin foil. I should probably have something on my hands. You're not gonna do it. It doesn't have to be. Hang on. It doesn't have to be on there like tight or anything. You just want it loosely on there. And it's hot. Okay, like that's good enough. You're gonna put it back in there, and I'm gonna put it on for another 30 minutes, and we'll test it when it cooks when it's done cooking. Okay. Okay, so I'll see you guys when the banana bread's done. Okay, our banana bread is done. Take it out. It smells good. Okay. Take our tin foil off over here. Looks yummy. Okay, so we're gonna let it rest on there for about 5 minutes, and then it should come out fairly easy. You're gonna flip it onto, you're gonna get it out of the pan. Put it on a wire rack, or if you don't have a wire rack, use your tin foil and put it on there. So when this has cooled down a bit, Ed and I are going to taste it. So I'll see you guys when it's set, when it's ready to go. Oh, and if you're worried that it's going to be like sticky, but it shouldn't be, just take a knife and just run it around your pan like so. Mine's all loose, so I'm okay, but if you're worried about it. Okay, I'll see you guys in, I don't know, when we're gonna eat this. And there it is. Cut and buttered and ready to be tasted. Here's a napkin. Here, stick that there.
Oh my fuck. Hey. It's really good.
This would go good like with your coffee in the morning, if you drink coffee, or your orange juice even.
Goes good with smoking your weeds, drinking your beers.
It goes good with anything.
Yep. You can eat it while you're banging.
When you're done with your banana bread, wrap it in tin foil. Always wrap it in tin foil.
Wrap it in tin foil.
If you're going to leave it out on the counter, it's good for 2 days. If you're going to put it into the fridge, it's good in there for a week. I guess all depends how fast you're going to eat it. That
Cocksucker's going to get eaten up real fast around here, so.
I'll probably just leave it on the counter, wrapped up then.
Probably.
And it always tastes better like the next day. Usually like by the end of day 1, it really tastes like the banana releases more flavor. Anyways, so that's how you make homemade banana bread. And I think that's everything. So that's it. Oh, wait. We have another video.
Yep. We're doing another video.
It's going to be after this video.
Obviously.
Well.
It'll be up later on tonight.
Yeah. So that's it. That's all. Bye.